Hi, I'm Tanzina. I'm a third-year PhD student at Culture Studies program. Okay, I'm from Bangladesh, and I came here in 2017 September. So this is my third year. Okay, so I think I have talked about this so many times because my first few days, of course, it was very scary because it was a big transition for me because I came here, I was a new mother. My son was only 1.5 years old, and though my husband was studying over here like before I came, so though in that sense the transition should be very good. So we were international students, and we thought maybe we can put him in the daycare, so we contacted them, we went there, but the thing is, for international students, it's impossible to put their kids in the daycare because they have to pay the whole fees for the kids. So it's $1,300 that time per month, which was impossible for us to pay. So we couldn't put him in the daycare. I didn't know anything in the campus because I couldn't be here because I always have to think like, who will take care of him? So either my husband has to be in the home if I am here, so everything, the clock was ticking because he has some work to do, I have to go back. So I couldn't explore anything. I couldn't talk to people, I couldn't go to different places. But later on we got some supports from the department, a few financial supports from my supervisors with him. With that, actually we could put our son for like twice a day. So that was the day actually, like we could come to the class, we do something. So that was the situation. My academic journey, I would say it's not in any problems or issues. I'm doing good over there. So I'm happy with that. I got a lot of support from the Bangladeshi students community. That was the personal support they could grant. They were also students. They had limitations. We are new here, and we don't know like how to approach. I remember my first few 6 months, like I don't know how to approach it. Can I say this? Should I do that? That was the question always in my mind. I'm connected with the Bangladeshi organization, students organization. So it's very difficult for us to know in advance like how many students are coming this year. We have to figure out ourselves. The housing issue, it's a big problem. Students don't get places for even like few days back. I remember like a student, they came with a family with a kid in the middle of the winter, and they really suffered for the housing issues. So somehow we managed something that's not a very good one, but at least they can stay over there. Especially if you are not here, getting a place for a person is very difficult. People don't trust and blah, blah, blah. Bandrai Center, oh my God, this is the only place I think I feel like I can connect with. And I even received like financial service from them like twice. So like they try to hear, and like they're open and they reach out, they send emails. Like recently I'm suffering from the dental things. The doctor suggested me $6,000. I don't know how will I manage that. If you have to leave normally, like you have the money, but like covering extra 6,000. For the graduate international students, the biggest obstacle here is the daycare thing. I don't know, it's still not being addressed.
Right.